magandang araw po ulit sa atin at welcome ulit sa ating science class. Okay, so sa previous video natin, napag-aralan natin ang tungkol sa types of mixtures and their characteristics. So as a review, so you are going to classify whether the following mixtures are homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, are you ready? So number 1. So milk dissolved in water, homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture? Okay, so the answer is homogeneous mixture. Next, vegetable salad, homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture? Okay, so heterogeneous mixture. Next, sugar dissolved in water, homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture? Okay, the answer is homogeneous mixture. Next, number 4. Pebbles and sand, homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture? Okay, so the answer is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, next. Oil and water. Okay, so it's heterogeneous. Next. Paint. So paint is homogeneous mixture. Orange juice is a homogeneous mixture. Rice and beans, heterogeneous. Sand and water, heterogeneous. And salt dissolved in water is okay, homogeneous mixtures. Okay. Okay, class, aside from homogeneous and heterogeneous, we can also classify mixtures into 3 types according to the size of the particles. They are the solution, suspension, and colloid. So today, we are going to study muna solution. So pag-aaralan muna natin ngayon ang solution. So next video natin ay ang suspension and colloid. Okay, ano nga ba ang tinatawag nating solution? So to understand more about solution, so we're going to perform again a very simple activity. Okay, are you ready? So what are the materials needed for this activity? So we need coffee powder, detergent powder, sugar, spoon, and 3 drinking glasses. Okay, so let us follow the instructions or the procedures. Number 1, prepare a spoon, glasses, and water. Okay, so I have here water. Next, combine each solid substance with water in a glass. So, lalagyan muna natin ng water, kalahati lang, ang glasses natin. Okay. So, next, so combine daw each solid substance with water in a glass. So, sa glass 1 natin, sugar. Sunod, we need to put coffee sa isang glass natin. A small amount of coffee lang. And last one ay yung ating detergent. So, lagyan natin ng detergent yung ating panghuling glass. Ayan. Then, after that, so itabi muna natin yung ating mga ginamit. Okay, so number 3 procedure, mix the substance or the substances using a spoon. Okay, so i-mix muna natin yung coffee. Kasi andito yung spoon ko. Next, mix yung sugar natin. Hihintayin nating matunaw. So, i-mix natin ng maayos. Okay. Same with coffee. And last one, yung sa ating detergent. Yan. Then, number 5 procedure. So, andito na yung gawa natin. So, last one, 2 with coffee and detergent, water. Okay. Number 5 is record your observation on the table below. Okay, so after performing the different procedures in your activity, so let us now answer the table found in your activity sheets. So remember that activity sheets will be uploaded in our classroom. Okay, so what are the solids or the solid materials we used in the activity? So we have sugar, coffee powder, and detergent powder. Okay. The liquids na ginamit natin ay water. So, observation when mixed. So, describe what happens to the solid materials. So, let us observe the sugar in our glass A. So, what do you think happens to the solid particles of sugar? Did the water able to dissolve the sugar? Okay, so as I observed, the sugar was dissolved in water. Okay, how about the coffee powder? Okay, so the coffee was also dissolved in water. How about the detergent powder? Okay, so based again on my observation, okay, the detergent powder was also dissolved in water. Okay, so you can also try this at home. So you can uh, perform this um, activity so that you can answer your activity sheets correctly. Okay, because your answer will depend on your observations based dun sa activity na ipiperform ninyo. Next, table 2. So you're going to write the different substance or the mixture. So we have the mixture of water and sugar, mixture of coffee and water, and last one, detergent, powder, and water. Okay, dissolve, yes or no? Okay, so kung nakita niyo yung dissolve, yes. So you'll put check on the column of yes. Kung hindi naman, so put X dito sa column ng no. So, what is the dissolving substance? So, ano ba yung ginamit natin na substance to dissolve the solid particles or the solid substance? Okay, gumamit ba tayo ng kerosene, ng water, ng vinegar? Okay, dissolving substance. Okay, or tinatawag nating solvent. Next, you are going to answer these questions based on your observation. So, hindi ko na ibibigay ang sagot dyan. So, kayo na ang sasagot dyan based doon sa inyong observation dun sa gagawin ninyong activity. So, after watching this video, so try to perform the activity. Babalikan niyo ulit yung mga materials na yon. So, kumuha kayo sa kung saan available sa kusina ninyo. Marami yan. May mga asukal naman, may coffee dun sa inyong bathroom, meron yung siguradong powder. So, konti lang din naman. Then, perform the activity para masagutan nyo itong mga questions. Okay? So, for example, what happens to the solid substances when mixed with water? So, ano ba ang nangyari sa mga solid substances nung hinalo natin sila with water? So, how many phases do you see? So, dito halimbawa sa glass A, ilang phases ang nakikita natin? Ganon din sa B. Ganon din sa C. So, can you still observe or see the solid materials after mixing them with water? So, nakikita pa ba natin yung mga solid materials? For example, kanina yung sugar, nakikita pa ba natin dito? How about the coffee powder? Nakikita pa ba natin yung coffee powder or the detergent powder? Nakikita pa ba natin siya? Okay. Number 3, what does water do to the substances? So ano bang ginawa ng water sa mga solid substances? Next, number 4, what do we call the substances dissolved in a liquid? Number 5, What do we call the substances that do the dissolving? What are the parts of a solution? What is solute? What is solvent? What is solution? Number 10, give at least 2 examples of solution. So, from number 3 to number 10, so babalikan natin yan mamaya after our discussion para masagutan natin yung mga questions na yan. Okay, so let us continue. So when we say solution, sabi dyan, is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances in which one dissolves the other. So sabi, ang solution daw is a homogeneous mixture. So kung matatandaan natin, pag sinabi nating homogeneous mixture, uniform mixture, we cannot easily identify the different components na pinag-combine doon sa isang mixture. Yun ang tinatawag nating homogeneous. So, ang solution daw is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances in which one dissolves the other. So, for example, dito, our mixture of sugar and water is made up of 2 substances, water and sugar, which one dissolves the other. So, ano yung nagtunaw? Water. Ano yung tinunaw? Sugar. So, solution sila. Or solution siya. Next, another one is coffee and water. So, ano yung tinunaw? Coffee. Ano yung pantunaw? Water. Okay, kaya solution siya. Homogeneous because single phase. Next, detergent and water. So, it's also a solution. Bakit? Single phase, homogeneous. Ano yung pangtunaw? Water. Ano yung tinunaw? Detergent powder. So, ang ginamit natin dito na substance or dissolving substance is water. Kaya nga tinatawag ang water na universal solvent kasi isa siya sa mga liquid na napakaraming matutunaw na mga substance. Okay, solution has 2 parts, a solute and a solvent. So tandaan na ang solution ay may dalawang parts, solute and solvent. So ano ba yung tinatawag nating solute? So a solute is a substance that dissolves in a mixture. Tandaan, a solute is a substance that dissolves in a mixture. So for example, dito, ano yung solute natin? Okay, very good, sugar. Dito naman, coffee. And dito ay detergent powder. Okay, next. While a solvent is the substance that do the dissolving. So what substance do the dissolving in our mixture? Okay, very good. Water. Okay, so the solvent is water. The solutes are sugar, coffee powder, and detergent powder. Okay, so naiintindihan na ba kung ano yung tinatawag nating solution? So pag sinabi nating solution, a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances mixed together, which yung isa ay tinutunaw yung isa. So, yun ang tinatawag nating solution. Homogeneous mixture siya. Yung isa, pantunaw. Yung isa, tinutunaw. And what are the 2 types or 2 parts of a solution? So, we have solute and solvent. So, pag sinabing solute, ito yung tinutunaw. Yung solvent ay pantunaw. Okay, so let us try this one. So we have here different solutions. So hot coffee drinks, chocolate drinks, seawater, sugar solution, salt solution. So ano kaya ang solute dito? So sa hot coffee drinks, ano ang solute? Ano ang solvent? Okay, so kung sinabi nyo ang solute ay coffee powder, you are correct. And the solvent is water. Very good. Okay, how about in chocolate drinks? So our solute is, ano ang solute natin dito? Of course, chocolate powder, and the solvent is water. So seawater, so what do you think is the solute? Of course, salt, and the solvent is water. Very good. Next, sugar solution. So we have solute, sugar, solvent, water. And last one, salt solution. Of course, we have the salt as solute, and the solvent is water. Okay, so very good. So I hope naiintindihan na kung ano yung tinatawag na solution at ano ang parts or two parts of a solution. So sana nakatulong si Sir, and please don't forget to subscribe sa aking uh, YouTube channel para ma-motivate pa si Sir na gumawa ng video. So, simpleng video lang pero sana nakatulong ako ng kahit konti para matulungan kayo sa inyong pag-aaral. Okay? So, maraming salamat and see you on the next video. So, bye-bye!